जहाँ पे लोग मुझे फिल्म सिटी या कमलिस्तान में बुलाते थे एंड दे वुड पुट वन कश्मीर चाय वाला एंड दे से दिस इज कश्मीर. सो आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग that we are not doing real stuff. Regret वैसे मैं नहीं करती. I did sign up except Amir. I did have movies with Salman and Shah Rukh which didn't materialize, which didn't release.
So many good actors like Arshad Varsi, Ritesh Deshmukh, Shreyas Talpade, they are all known. See, that is our industry who slots them as comedians or comedy actors. It's very unfair for an actor.
If Imran Khan makes a comeback, would you be interested in working with him again?
See, why not? He's a lovely person, but he was not very accepted in the action genre. You know what I know from the reviews and all these years. People maybe didn't like him doing those action genres.
Actors lead a hard life because आप सिर्फ वो देखते हो कि शूट पर आए, उन्होंने शूट किया और वो घर चले गए. But there is an actor is always working. Even then, I didn't feel like I got my due. Even today, I don't feel like I got my due. Maybe 10 films down the line also, I'll feel like I never got my due. So I don't want to ever be satisfied.
I was working with Ronit Roy and वो उन दिनों नीलम पहना करते थे. तो शूटिंग के दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि this blue stone is very lucky for me.
हम जब भी ऑर्गेनिक कास्टिंग कर रहे थे इस फिल्म के लिए, हमने काफी एक दो एक्ट्रेसेस को मिले भी जो काफी OTT पे अभी काम कर रहे हैं, जो फिनोमिनल एक्ट्रेस है, बट वी वांटेड समबडी हु कैन ऐड freshness to the cast.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with the cast of Kartam Bhuktam, Madhu, Aksha and Soham. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So I would like to start by asking, teaser हमने देखा. The film I say will explore a very new concept of say karma, the astrology, right? First of all, to the captain of the ship, what prompted you to get this concept to light?
Actually, there's one real incident that happened in my family, and I had seen a journey of one of my cousin brothers. So when I was following his character and his journey, some very intriguing things unfolded, which were very unbelievable. So वो धीरे धीरे उनकी कहानी पे से मैंने ये लिखना शुरू किया. And of course astrology, occult science, numerology, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत स्ट्रांगली एग्जिस्ट करती है हमारे आसपास. और इस पे पहले कोई कहानी या फिल्म बनी नहीं है, और मुझे हमेशा ये लगता था कि क्यों नहीं बनी है, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी बिग सब्जेक्ट ओवरऑल. सो दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग द होल स्टोरी. एंड ऑल्सो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज दैट देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन जहाँ आप ज्योतिष शास्त्र में बिलीव करते हो एंड उसके आगे बह जाते हो. तो व्हाट कैन हैपन व्हेन यू क्रॉस दैट लाइन, when you completely over surrender to astrology. So it's that kind of a zone.
So are you trying to show that there is a very thin line between, like you rightly said, belief and blind trust, right?
You can say that, but we are exploring this thing that when it becomes a habit, वो एक आदत पड़ जाती है कि आपको मतलब किसी ने बोला है कि सोमवार को दूध चढ़ाना है और आप नहीं पहुंचे मंदिर तक, तो इट कैन स्टार्ट अफेक्टिंग योर माइंड. अगर किसी ने आपको बोला है कि ये पत्थर पहनो और वो पत्थर आपको 7 दिन में कुछ चमत्कारी रिजल्ट देगा, पर दीज थिंग्स डू प्ले ऑन योर माइंड एट सम पॉइंट, स्पेशली व्हेन आप बहुत ही डिप्रेशन में हो या आप एकदम मतलब लॉस्ट हो लाइफ में. तो ये सारी चीजें होती है. तो हमारी कहानी इस वर्ल्ड से रिलेटेड है.
Aksha, I would like to ask, do you believe in the philosophy of karma?
Of course I do. I believe that, as he's rightly written, that sab likhit hona. I think that, you have a fixed destiny. There is a higher power above who has decided your fate already. But I do believe that आपके जो deeds हैं इस दुनिया में, you can definitely वो मतलब I believe in good karma. So I believe that, you can definitely cut bad karma if you perform good. So for me, I don't do it with that intention that, मैं कुछ अपने life में blessings लाऊंगी. I don't do it with that, but I'm very passionate about animals. So I do whatever I do because I want to do it, not because I want to change my karma or anything. So I do definitely believe that in a lot of ways, those things unknowingly are helping me. So I do believe in doing good. That's what I truly believe.
But have you witnessed any instance around you जहाँ लोगों ने अंधविश्वास में maybe लियर हो जाते हैं या they are believe कर लेते बहुत जल्दी चीजों को?
हमारे आसपास ऐसे मतलब आस पड़ोस में आपको मिल जाएंगे जो बहुत as he said, when something becomes a habit, it plays on as fear. There is a thin line between belief and fear. I'm a God loving person, not a God fearing person. So I believe that कुछ भी चीज जैसे even I go Monday को मैं भी दूध चढ़ाती हूँ, बट अब कभी अगर मैं नहीं जा पाई तो मेरे मन में वहम नहीं है, बिकॉज I don't like to, there is a thin line which you need to understand as a human being, and in your bad times that's the time when you really need to keep that in check. So that's, I think that's what we're trying to convey in this film.
Madhu, what about you? Are you a believer of this philosophy?
I definitely believe in destiny. And the more and more I think that I can, the new age concept के हम manifest कर लेते हैं, affirmations कर लो, ये हो जाएगा, वो सब है अपनी जगह. But basically, I believe in destiny. And I have seen, now I have lived long enough to compare my younger days to now.
Yeah.
So I can definitely say back in the 90s, मैंने एक dream था कि मुझे actor बनना है. I don't even know how I got my movie. Yeah, I didn't make things happen. Things happened to me. Suddenly one day I wanted to restart my career. I still don't have a PR agency. I still am not with any agency, but movies started happening. So I definitely believe in desires and destiny and all of that, and that I believe in. But बीच में जैसे they said, Soham bhai just said, that जब बुरा वक्त होता है कि तो belief भी थोड़ी सी डगमगाने लगता है. जैसे कि back in the day 90s में again I was working with Ronit Roy, and वो उन दिनों नीलम पहना करते थे. तो शूटिंग के दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि this blue stone is very lucky for me. So I looked at his blue stone and I went home and I told my father, I want to wear this stone. So my father said, you can't wear blue sapphire. It has to come from astrology. कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं उठा के पहन सकते. So but I knew that, I felt in my heart that this will do good for me. So without telling my father, I got this very stone. I wore it at that time. And how do I know this is lucky for me? एक Saturday morning मैंने ये पहना था, and that day was a match between cricketers and actors for a relief fund. So I was playing in Bachchan Saab's team. He was our captain, and I was one of the players. And वो Chiranjeevi team, Amitabh Bachchan team, and all of that was happening. And I was this girl, and that stadium in Hyderabad, back in the day, I don't know, 50,000 people or 5,000 people, the claps were resounding. So I go. And पता है आपको कि I actually batted and the ball came in the regular pitch, in the regular field, and मेरा actually bat ball पे लगा and I ran for 2 runs in that stadium. And I heard that claps of those thousands of, I've never heard that as an actor, but I felt that. And then in that same match, the last ball, Shivramakrishnan was batting and somebody bowled and the ball came to me and I caught it.
Wow.
I caught the ball the day I wore this ring. I'm not a cricketer in the real stadium. And you know what? Amitji picked me up and did the victory lap. I just knew this stone has to be lucky.
Yeah.
मतलब इसका कोई मतलब है ही नहीं कुछ.
Yeah.
फिर मेरी शादी हुई. My mother-in-law said, ये सब नहीं पहनते बेटा, तो मैंने उतार दी. And years went on. Suddenly one day I found this in my drawer. I wore it and I believe it's lucky.
Wow.
So अभी आप इसको अंधविश्वास कहो, superstition कहो या कुछ भी कह लो, आप कह लो. But this doesn't leave my finger.
Absolutely.
But having stayed in industry for so long, like आप अभी compare किए कि 90s में कैसा था, अब कैसा है. Do actors believe in astrology?
जितने मैं जानती हूँ सब वो पता नहीं क्या क्या पहन रखे हैं. It is all because of that. It's something thin, fine line between faith and faith ही है.
Yeah.
That's it. You believe that this is bringing me good luck.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing it and I believe it's doing me good.
Like you rightly also mentioned कि आपका ना कोई PR नहीं है. You made a comeback smoothly. I have 2 questions out of it. Comparing to cinema and limelight back then and now, do you believe आज के ज़माने में it's all about social media presence and social presence, like you even see the paparazzi culture nowadays, right? And अगर पूछा जाए कि just because जैसे आपकी contemporaries, the kind of comeback, the kind of opportunities they get because of OTT, do you believe कि आपके maybe hand में वो नहीं आ रहा because you still have that South and Rosa का image?
No, I don't believe in all those things. I believe that everything has a natural flow and अपने time से अपने हिसाब से सब कुछ हो जाता है. When I was not ready, nothing moved for me. And I know I was not ready because me as a mother was not ready to leave my home. I always feel like an actor. I always feel like an actor. Whether I have a stage to act on or not, I'm an actor. But I was not ready to leave my house. And because I didn't feel that I could leave my house, opportunities didn't come my way. The minute I felt I can leave my house, opportunities have come on its own.
Yeah.
And the more I'm ready to fly, the more noise I'm making on my own.
Yeah.
Of course, media will help, social media will help. I'm thinking about it. If I do feel like, I will engage. It's not a big deal. I just have to engage. But I'm still not ready to engage, and I'm still actually riding the wave of the flow. And I truly believe that. I don't chase, I allow. And that, you know, we all, our life turns out according to our belief system. हम जैसे belief रखते हैं, वैसे हमारी life reflect करती है. और हम उससे थोड़ा सा अलग करने की कोशिश करें, it doesn't work out. So we don't have to change our actions, we have to change our belief system. जिस दिन मैं सोचूंगी कि मुझे चेस करना है, मैनिफेस्ट करना है, उस दिन मैं पीआर एजेंसी को अप्रोच कर लूंगी, एंगेज कर लूंगी, और जो भी लोग करते हैं वो मैं भी करूंगी. पर आज तक मैं यही बिलीफ रखती हूँ कि आई लिव अ लाइफ ऑफ अलाउइंग. एवरीथिंग हैपेंस टू मी, आई डोंट चेस.
See, I'd like to add something in this because मान लीजिए इनकी पीआर एजेंसी होती, शायद ये बहुत बड़ी एजेंसी में भी होते, तो शायद करतम बुक्तम में ये ना हो पाते.
True.
I look at it that way because see, she was no way okay on social media. I don't know. हम जब भी ऑर्गेनिक कास्टिंग कर रहे थे इस फिल्म के लिए, तो इस कैरेक्टर के लिए जब मैं और मेरे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है गौरव दागर, हम लोग बैठ के बहुत दिन तक ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे थे कि इनको लिया जाए, उनको लिया जाए. हमने काफ़ी 1-2 एक्ट्रेसेस को मिले भी जो काफ़ी OTT पे अभी काम कर रहे हैं, जो फिनोमिनल एक्ट्रेस है, बट वी वांटेड समबडी हु कैन ऐड फ्रेशनेस टू द कास्ट. कि लोग कहे कि अरे वाह, आपने जो कहा एग्जैक्टली हम चाहते थे वो कि रोजा मधु. तो वी वांटेड दैट, यू नो, दैट कम बैक फैक्टर, दैट शी इज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, और अभी उनको इस अवतार में देखा जाएगा. सो बट इट डजंट मैटर दैट शी डिडंट हैव एनीबडी. बट द बेस्ट थिंग वाज दैट हमने जब इनको अप्रोच किया, तो लाइक इट टुक अस लाइक 24 hours टू मीट हर, नरेट हर one-on-one, and she right there said, I want to do this film. So that process is so much easier and better than having 50 people who cannot let you reach the actor. और वो एक्टर का भी काफी टाइम लॉस हो रहा है बिकॉज उनको अच्छा रोल उन तक पहुंच नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
So that's a different way to look at it.
He came to me.
Exactly.
I didn't go. No one went to him for me. I
Yeah.
didn't go to him. He came to me.
Yeah.
And that's how my life has always worked out.
अक्षय, कमिंग टू यू नो, जैसे मैंने इनसे भी सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस का पूछा, बीइंग एन एक्टर ऑफ दिस जनरेशन पर से प्रेशर होता है?
Definitely, and I think it's a separate career altogether. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है because you know, making content on social media, being active all the time, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of like mental presence because you know any which ways actors lead a hard life because आप सिर्फ वो देखते हो कि शूट पर आए, उन्होंने शूट किया और वो घर चले गए. But there is an actor is always working. Whether it is going to a gym or constantly sacrificing on the food they want to eat, being on a diet continuously, you know, going to acting classes, going to dance classes, doing something or the other. So we are always working. उसके ऊपर से तैयार होके content create करो, that's become a different career altogether. And see, having said that, every actor has a different personality.
Yeah.
I may be an extrovert, another person may be an introvert. So constantly having a camera in your face all the time and recording everything about your life, it's tough. It's extremely tough. But having said that, it is the need of the hour. With me, I don't, you know, usually what they say is, you know, you should post content every day. With me, I don't take that pressure. I think it all depends on you. I do what I can do and I do when I want to do. There will be days when I will be 15 days, 20 days, a month, 2 months, I'll be off social media. And then there'll be days where I'll be posting every day. So mine is not planned. Mine is very organic and I do what I want when I want. So
I'm like her. I'm exactly like her.
yeah.
You know, just coming to you again, you know, you have done work down south as well. What do you think is the reason, maybe we can say, कि हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में you feel कि अभी तक आपको कोई ड्यू नहीं मिला है?
I don't feel, honestly, कोई भी एक्टर को कभी नहीं लगेगा कि उसको अपना ड्यू मिला है. Because if you're patient and if you're happy and if you say कि हाँ यार मैं तो भी खुश हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा काम कर लिया, फिर तो आपका हो गया. I feel like even then I didn't feel like I got my due. Even today I don't feel like I got my due. Maybe 10 films down the line also I'll feel like I never got my due. So I don't want to ever be satisfied. And I feel like, you know, again, having said that, what she said, you know, even I don't have a PR agency. I don't hire a PR all the time and get my pictures clicked all the time. Or I don't, as I said, you know, I am a balanced person, so I don't like having like a camera on my face all the time. So with me, I will put out there what I want to put out there, and I want to do films that I truly believe in. I've had a conversation, in fact, with Soham sir about this, that I don't want to be greedy and do everything that comes my way.
Yeah.
I want to do films that I truly believe in. At least those mistakes will be mine. So I feel like due ना मिलना, I feel वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है, मैं अपना काम करती जाऊंगी.
Well, how has life been post marriage?
It's been good. I mean, it's just been about 2 months.
Yeah.
And it's good. It's great.
She got married in the month of Feb
February,
2024. I celebrated my 25th wedding anniversary in Feb of 24.
Wow. That's
So we
amazing.
have 2 actors sitting Feb married.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
कमिंग टू यू सोहम, सो अगर आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी देखूं, जब इवन टीजर भी आया ना करतम भुक्तम का, फ्रॉम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ काल एंड लक, एंड एक चीज आती है, सो योर स्टोरीज हैव ऑलवेज बीन आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. जब हम काल भी रिफ्लेक्ट करें, लक भी, या आज करतम भुक्तम भी, एज अ डायरेक्टर व्हाट प्रॉम्प्ट्स यू टू गेट सच स्टोरीज टू राइट अगेन?
See, I think being an audience, first of all, I always believe that if I have the craft to make a film, as an audience, मुझे कुछ नया देखना है. I definitely want to see something new. Otherwise, वो 2.5-3 घंटे 2 घंटे मैं इतना ट्रैवल करके थिएटर में जाऊँ, पैसे खर्च कर रहे लोग, यार you have to give something new. I want only then it will intrigue them. मैं कुछ ऐसी दुनिया के बारे में आपको बताऊँ जिसके बारे में आपको पता है पर नॉलेज नहीं है, या इतना नॉलेज नहीं है जो उस फिल्म में देख के मिलेगा. सो समथिंग हैज़ टू बी एक्साइटिंग. तो मुझे इसलिए रन ऑफ द मिल या एक कंटेंट जो हमने बहुत बार पहले देखा है उसी को रीमिक्स करके बार बार दिया जाए, ऐसे बनाने के लिए फिल्में बनाने से बेहतर है कुछ एक्साइटिंग किया जाए. सो आई लाइक टू रिसर्च एंड ब्रिंग समथिंग न्यू.
Talking about Kaal specifically, do you believe that movie was ahead of its time? And how did you back then manage to pull off that cast and that song which is known till now?
सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट मैं काफ़ी पक गया हूँ ये सुन के कि काल और लक बहुत अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम थे. सो आई होप आई हैव मेड अ फिल्म विद टाइम्स, बिकॉज विद टाइम्स वाली फिल्म चलना ज़रूरी है. बट सी दैट कास्ट, दैट सॉन्ग, एवरीथिंग, इट कुड absolutely not happen without Karan Johar being my producer and actually Shah Rukh Khan produced it together. So a production house matters a lot, okay? And that was my first film. So being a first film and getting such fantastic actors, it's completely thanks to Karan Johar and the production house. But yes, it was very, very important and graceful of those actors also to like the script and have faith in a newcomer director. But जैसे आपने बोला वो ahead of its time था, तो सारी चीज़ें बहुत नई थी उस टाइम के लिए. So it was exciting for everyone because live tigers के साथ shoot करना, जंगल कॉर्बेट पार्क उस टाइम पे कोई नहीं जाता था. Like people didn't know the name कि अच्छा इंडिया में ऐसा जंगल है, हमें पता नहीं था. So इतनी सारी चीजें नई थी कि it was exciting. It was like an adventure trip for everyone.
But talking about all your 3 films, okay, you have managed to pull off an ensemble cast, and I think आप में वो है कि आप actors से कुछ अलग करवाते हो. Like coming to Shreyas again, we have this image कि अरे श्रेयस आ रहा है तो comedy है. Like back then in 2009 when you casted Imran Khan, उनकी वो romantic boy की image थी.
Yes.
How do you manage to break that कि actors भी कुछ अलग करे, plus even audience is convinced to see the actor?
See, I think everything that we do is somewhere or the other, it's a learning from somewhere. So I think, these credits I really want to give to Ram Gopal Verma, whom I assisted. Okay, and Ram, उनका एक thought process हमेशा रहा था, तो I imbibed the right things from the right people. So that shock value or that surprise value.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं सुनता हूँ, मतलब so many good actors like Arshad Varsi, Ritesh Deshmukh, Shreyas Talpade, they are all known. See, that is our industry who slots them as comedians or comedy actors. It's very, very unfair for an actor, believe me. The potential that you see Shreyas Talpade doing Kaun Praveen Tambe, आप देख लो, मतलब boss, he's not got the due for that film, but it's a fantastic film.
Definitely.
Okay, इकबाल हो, ये सब कॉमेडी नहीं थे. So I think somewhere one has to push the envelope, take that risk. But हमें पता है ना कि उस आदमी के अंदर वो टोन है, वो जिंदा है, वो एक्टर. अगर उसे सिर्फ कॉमेडी कराते रहोगे तो वो ठीक है, फिर वो भी एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएंगे. So I think it is important to look in a different way.
If Imran Khan makes a comeback, would you be interested in working with him again?
See, why not? He is a lovely person. I had a fantastic time making luck with him. We had a very, very good journey because he was very young, very energetic.
Yeah.
He wanted to like explore different genres. But he was not very accepted in the action genre. What I know from the reviews and all these years, people maybe didn't like him doing those action genres. But I mainly make thriller and action.
Yeah.
I don't see myself making very mushy love stories. So I don't know.
No, sir. Please, sir.
नहीं, उसमें भी कुछ I don't know. We don't know what will come in future. But yeah, he's a lovely person. I really had a great time working with him.
Madhu, even Soham said very rightly कि actors are being slotted very easily. And in one of even your interviews, you said कि एक time था जब आप typecast हुई थी. Maybe that's when you took a back seat from acting. But do you feel कि वो decision सही था? Because कहीं ना कहीं बोलते हैं ना इंडस्ट्री में out of sight means out of mind.
मेरा हर डिसीजन उस वक्त के लिए सही था. I needed to be out because I need, jaded हो जाते हैं और जिस चीज़ में मज़ा नहीं आते वो चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. And I did start feeling at one point, especially I had worked in some really authentic films in the South.
Yeah.
Malayalam films, especially Malayalam industry, they are so realistic. उसके बाद मैं उसी टाइम पे उसी सेम पीरियड में मैं हिंदी फिल्म्स भी कर रही थी जहाँ पे लोग मुझे फिल्म सिटी या कमलिस्तान में बुलाते थे एंड दे वुड पुट वन कश्मीर चाय वाला and they say this is Kashmir. So I started feeling, that we are not doing real stuff.
Yeah.
एक बोर्ड लगाकर वो बोल रहे हैं कि ये वो है, ये है. So and I was coming from a very arty place. I've worked with people like Santosh Shivan. वो कहाँ घुस जाके वो reality के नाम से क्या करते थे. So I was feeling that discontent. I said, what am I doing? I'm not doing what I really want to do. And that was the time I took a back seat. And of course I had a very compelling reason. I got married in that time and started my family. So I didn't miss it. I didn't feel कि ये मेरे से गलती हो गई या जो भी मैंने सोचा. But down the line, that was a very good period when I took out because that's when I realized I never considered myself as a housewife. Even when I used to write वो passport case में या school forms में मैं जब भरती थी profession, I always wrote as an actor because those 5, 7, 10 years when I did not work, I realized I'm an actor in my soul. मैं काम करूं या ना करूं मैं एक्टर हूं, एक्ट्रेस हूं, and I would only write profession actress. And that realization to step out, to know, sometimes you have to take a back seat to know what you really, and that's why I'm back here.
Yeah.
I need to work because this stage, the camera, lights gives me
You're made
joy.
for that.
So that was very important phase for me to know that I needed to leave it to come back with full conviction.
And even do you think कि age appropriate roles जो तब नहीं थे आज है?
हाँ, या बिल्कुल. आज जो भी मेरी एज है मैं एकदम बिंदास कह सकती हूँ. मुझे अपने एज छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं है और I can be any size. I can put on weight, I can lose weight, I can look old, I can look anything, and there are roles and characters and acceptance.
Yeah.
I don't have to look a certain way to be in the movies. I can look exactly the way I am and be in this world, and that's a great welcome change.
Do you also believe, ma'am, कि sexism जो हम आज बोलते हैं ना, पहले भी एग्जिस्ट करता था कि जैसे हीरोज को तो भाई लवर बॉयज का टैग दे दिया, रोमांटिक बॉयज का, बट एक्ट्रेसेस को नहीं बोला जाता था जल्दी से. अरे मतलब थोड़ा सा भी फेस पे रिंकल्स आ गया कुछ तो अरे शी इज टर्निंग ओल्ड, शी इज नॉट लुकिंग दैट प्रिटी. डू यू फील वो आज भी है? एंड अ ओल्डर एक्टर रोमांसिंग यंग गर्ल वर्क, बट वहीं अगर एक्ट्रेसेस की एज हो जाती है तो जल्दी से मैच्योरिटी का टैग लग जाता है.
अभी देखिए जो है वो है, जैसे लोग बात करते हैं इंडस्ट्री में बात करते हैं, द सोसाइटी एंड द मूवीज मूव टुगेदर.
ट्रू.
और मैंने हमेशा एक चीज प्रैक्टिस की है, दैट इज रैडिकल एक्सेप्टेंस. मैं बहुत कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और मैं आर्ग्यू नहीं करती, डिबेट नहीं करती, तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा वो स्टैंड वगैरह नहीं लेती. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी द वे आई एम मूविंग. और जो फाइट करते हैं और जो मुझे मेरी सेंसिबिलिटीज को अपील करती है मैं उनको सपोर्ट देती हूँ. सो आई सपोर्ट माई पीपल व्हेन दे रेज द राइट क्वेश्चंस. मैं हमेशा जो मुझे सही लगता है मैं उनको सपोर्ट करती हूँ, पर मैं बहुत इन चीज़ों में क्वेश्चन करना, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लेना, आई एम नॉट अ फ्लैग बेयरर. आई जस्ट एंजॉय माय लाइफ.
मैम आप वो टाइम के सिनेमा से आते हो जहाँ ना बोलते कि खान्स के साथ वर्क करना प्रेस्टीज था, बट यू वर अ नेम इन योरसेल्फ. Firstly, what was the reason you didn't do much work with them per se? Second, do you regret turning down Bazigar?
I don't regret ना, because वो जो पास में जो था उसी की वजह से आज हम यहाँ हैं. Regret वैसे मैं नहीं करती. I did sign up, except Amir, I did have movies with Salman and Shah Rukh which didn't materialize, which didn't release. एक schedule के बाद बंद हो गया और जैसे भी हुआ. I don't even give it a thought. This is exactly how my life has played out, and it's just okay.
Talking about Kartam Bhuktam from all three of you, क्यों audience को ये movie देखनी चाहिए, and what will be a different takeaway per se astrology point of view से?
I think you're the right person to
You
start.
are
Yeah.
right.
No, see, I think I think that because last 5-6 years people have really got used to watching a lot of OTT content, and now people are used to absorbing, consuming something interesting, something which grips them, and something out of the box. So again, to answer the same thing, that पहले जो ahead of times लगता था, अब actually audience is ahead of times than the filmmakers. And if you respect that the audience is intelligent enough to sniff what's good, what's bad, then I think at least we are trying to give them something जो उनको interesting लगेगा. So I think that हम जैसे लोग बहुत टाइम लेते हैं और बहुत साल डालते हैं रिसर्च में, लिखने में, सब मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, but somewhere the attempt is very genuine to give something which remains, and we talk about it next 10 years later also. Like Carl, we are talking after 19 years. Hopefully इसके बारे में भी आगे बात करें, तो वो एक effort है. Let's hope people like it.
Aksha.
For me, I think that the subject is something that every person will relate to, because at some point in our lives, all of us go through bad and good phases in our life, and there have been times जहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं, even if it's not you, कोई आपका family member हुआ होगा या आपका पड़ोसी हुआ होगा जो कोई बुरे वक्त से गुजरा होगा, and in that vulnerable situation has consulted somebody and has started some new practices in his life to change his life for the better. So I feel that this awareness that we are putting out, because as he said, there's a thin line between belief and blind faith. So that is something that we're trying to address in this film. For me, like as I said, I'm a God-loving person, not a God-fearing person. So I just wish that this film is able to convey to other people when they watch it, that not to believe everybody. Whoever comes your way and gives you 10 advice, ये आज ये पहनो, आज ये दिशा सही नहीं है, ये नहीं. I feel like you should have the right guidance, but you should know where to draw the line. And I think that's what we're trying to say in this film.
Madhu.
Why should people watch this film? Because I think this will entertain them. I believe it will. And people should watch because there are some great actors doing different things. Shreyas is doing something completely different, and Vijay Raj has proven himself in all kinds of shades. So he's amazing. We all know Aksha is also very good. And more importantly, this film should do well because Soham is a very sincere. Today we are seeing this day only because of him. He's brought it here. He's releasing. He's got his faith. And what I loved was when I worked with him, he told me कि 17 दिन में हम ये scene करेंगे. And 17 days we did. And मुझे बाद में लगा कि जब film बने, and I used to ask him, मेरे scenes हैं कि नहीं हैं या कैसे हैं? And then when I saw the film, whatever he told me कि ये scenes होंगे, ये scenes करेंगे, exactly those scenes were shot and exactly those scenes were there in the movie. So that kind of clarity, so for him, that clarity, that conviction, and for all of us, this movie is very important to me because my dream is always to see myself in the big screen, and I'm coming back, and जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये मेरे घर तक आए, and I'm doing this, so it has to do us all justice. I enjoyed working with all these amazing actors, enjoyed working with Soham, and for his faith in me and for his conviction, and it's just entertainment, guys. आके देखो और मजे लो. We are all watching a lot of stuff, and I hope this entertains all of you. So come and enjoy this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, this is Soham Shah, and you are watching me on Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, this is Aksha Pardesani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, this is Madhu, and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.